Hello everyone, we have estimated the regression model by using this command. Now we try to understand what is the meaning of these estimations. In the last video, we estimated this model and now we want to understand the meaning of these estimations. In the first line of the regression results, here is the command line which shows that the LCO2 is a dependent variable, whereas these variables are independent variables. Here are the results of ANOVA. In this ANOVA table, SS is the total estimated sum of squares, this is residual sum of squares, and this is total sum of squares, whereas this column contains the degrees of freedom, and these MS means mean square. We can find estimated mean square by dividing estimated sum of square by the degree of freedom 5, and if we divide this residual sum of square by degree of freedom, we get this residual mean square. This part of the results show us the overall model fit estimations. Here is the number of observations used in the estimations, and this is the F value at 5 and 369 degrees of freedom, that is 506. This is the probability of F statistics, which is less than 5%. Actually it is less than 1%, and it shows the overall goodness of fit of the model. This is R squared, which means the coefficient of determination, and this is adjusted R square, and this is root mean square of the error term. This R square value means 87% of the variations in the dependent variable explained by independent variable is estimated by this model. In the lower part of the table, you can see LCO2 is the dependent variable, whereas these variables are the independent variables as we have already shown in our regression model. The second column of the table shows the coefficient values of beta 1, beta 2, beta 3, beta 4, beta 5, and alpha, which is the intercept in our model. So this column shows the standard errors of the estimates, whereas this is the t-value column, which shows the t-values of each estimator. We already know the t-values of the estimators can be estimated by using this formula. So if we divide these values, coefficient values, on these standard errors, we can find the t-values. This column shows the p-values. You can see p-value of each estimator is less than 5%, so each estimator is statistically different from 0. The last two columns shows the confidence intervals of these estimators, and it is estimated as a 95% confidence interval. It means at 95% confidence interval, we are sure that the values of these estimators would lie between these minimum and maximum value. We can summarize the results of these regressions in an equation just like this. So this is the estimated model that we wanted to estimate in our research. So you can see we have estimated this model by putting this command in STATA, and we got these results, and at the end we have our estimated model. In the next video we will learn how to perform post-regression estimations or diagnostic tests to confirm the statistical reliability and validity of the results. If you like the video, subscribe this channel and press bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.